Long time no see. My name's Cody if you're new here, and I'm just back today to give you guys a little 10-month lock update. I never know what to say in lock updates, but it'll flow. So right now, I just woke up and haven't done anything to my hair. I don't usually, but this is like what it looks like just out of bed. There's been lots of changes since my last update. It's fall now, it's pretty cold. I had a birthday, Christmas is coming up, woo woo. And gravity has started to take hold of my hair, which is great. You know, I can do some of that. Still very floofy, but definitely growing down instead of out. Pretty much covering my ears now, mostly. I don't really tuck it back as much unless I want this sort of Alice Cullen flip going on. There are a couple of things I can think that are kind of significant that happened in the last couple of months. As my hair has started to finally like form, some areas of my head have locked and other areas of my head have like rejected locking. So basically like the crown of my head and like the middle, like anywhere that's not the perimeter of my head, is locked. So like, let me see if I can find, like, you see how the ends are blunted and like this is like one thick filled in lock. So that's like, you know, all here. But the perimeter of my head did not want to lock. So in the last couple months I had to do a little TLC. I'll start in the front here. As you can see, like in my bangs, I still have twists, like coils. The ends of my hair just curl up and you see how like loose and puffy this is? There. It's like not locked and it's like trying to come out. I haven't touched those though because honestly I like the look that it is now, and I know it's not gonna actually come out. It will just lock slower, and when it does fully lock, it'll be thicker, and I'm totally fine with that. You know, some of my locks are like this thin compared to like this chunker. So, you know, I'll have some variation on my head, which I think looks cool. Then the other parts of my hair that that seemed like they were trying to unravel a bit, but I can't like see when I look at myself in the mirror. I actually did a whole session of braiding those locks instead of letting them just go on their own, just because braid locks have more like security, more density, like they stay tight as they lock, if that makes sense. Like there's less room for the hair to like expand. So let me find an example. So like this, you can see that it's flat because like this is a braid, you know. There's not that many, but it's like basically like a line of locks that I had like here, I feel like at the right at like where I would put my headphones or something. I don't know if this is actually the crown of your head, but yeah, like right here these locks were kind of like unraveling a bit, and when I would just be like doing this, I would feel that, and so I, you know, wanted to get ahead of that. And those are like the big changes. So let me see if I can do a little 360-ish here. Yeah, I am still loving the journey. Last month I started to get really antsy with my length. I still am loving having short locks, but I feel like I love the look, but not every day. So my current goal is the same length, like the bottom of my hair, like this sort of chin length, but I want the sides to grow out, and then I would keep my bangs. So basically just like the sides. I'm patiently waiting for them to grow out a little bit. What else? Products that I'm using. I have stopped using a hair towel after I washed my hair. I started air drying. It was pretty much after I did all that maintenance and like braided some of the ends of my locks that I switched to just air drying, which I actually really prefer. I didn't want to air dry before because when my locks were not maturing yet, air drying gives them the opportunity to like bunch up and stuff, because you know they shrink as they dry, and having them in a towel kept it like a little bit stretched as they dried. But now that I can see gravity is doing something, I'm really preferring air drying. I feel like afterwards my hair is a lot like softer and like more moisturized feeling. Still not using conditioner. I have conditioner, but I don't really use it. My boyfriend uses it. I guess I used it when I lightened my hair, and if I ever did if I like swim in chlorine, I use it, but like very infrequently. Currently, I'm not using any like products or moisturizers in my hair. My hair just gets its moisture from being washed. I'm still using rosemary spray, but not as often. Like I don't have any right now in my fridge, so I haven't used it in like maybe a couple weeks. And I don't use any oils. Personally, my hair and my skin don't love oil, but I find that like the easiest way for my hair to stay like moisturized is to stay hydrated. So I just like drink a lot of water and I wet my hair. Like when I wake up, that's what I do in the morning. First of all, like in the shower, you know, steaming your hair in the shower is really good to keep it hydrated. And then I just put like water on it if it's like too messy looking. And I just kind of like do this like with my hands when they're wet. And I moisturize my scalp with my fingers, which also like helps your natural scalp's oils to like distribute through your hair. Like people are really scared of like oil on their scalp, but like you want your natural oils, like you don't want to strip it. So I pretty much just rely on those. A while ago, I was hunting for a good like lock moisturizer just because it started to get cold here and I felt like my hair was getting a little bit dry, but it was only feeling dry for like one day. So I'm still looking. If you guys have any recommendations for a hair or for like a lock moisturizer that is not leave-in conditioner, because I don't want to loosen my locks obviously. Ideally no oils in it, etc. That would be awesome. Just something. I'm looking at Lock Sanity, that brand. They have a couple that seem really good, but I just haven't ordered them yet. And that's it. Literally, I'm not putting anything in my hair but my shampoo and water. I'm still using Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. I'm thinking of trying the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo. It's just another clarifying shampoo. Neither of them like provide moisture at all, they just strip. But I personally love a squeaky clean scalp like every time I wash my hair. And I haven't experienced like excessive drying, and it's been 10 months, so I think I'm okay there. Also like rosemary water really like intensely moisturizes your hair. At least it does for me. So even if I don't use it every day, like it lasts. If you guys could feel through the camera, my hair is very soft. And the only other thing I can think to mention is about washing my hair as well. Usually I've been washing my hair once a week, but I'm actually about to start washing my hair every 5 days instead. I know you shouldn't wash your hair like super often. I know it's not like the best for your hair, but I just like the feeling. Like I feel like day 5 for me is usually when I feel like I want to wash my hair, and then I look at my calendar and I'm like, it's not been a week yet, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna try it for maybe like a month and see how that goes. So I'll let you guys know in my next update how that went. I don't feel like I will really see any difference, but I know it can affect the overall health of your hair. And honestly, I think that's it for now. So it's nice to talk to you guys again. Let me know what kinds of videos you want to see from me. Also, let me know where you are in your lock journey. I know a lot of people seem to start like about the same time I did in the new year. And also we have another new year coming up. So if you're about to start your lock journey, I'm so excited for you. Let me know what your goals are. I want to see them. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.